Yes, beta. Now we will discuss question number 2. Choose the correct choice in the following and justify. Beta, these questions are multiple choice question, but we will do like very short answer type question. We will solve properly these questions. So first part is 30th term of the AP 1074. This is the AP, and we have to find the 30th term of this AP. Now solution is, from this AP beta, first term is 10, that is A, and common difference we know how to find A2 minus A1, that is 7 minus 10. Remember one thing beta, it is 7 minus 10, the answer is minus 3 because 10 is larger than 7 and its sign is negative. Now how to find the 30th term? The formula for 30th term is A plus 29D, and we have all the values. A, that is 10, 29, and into D is minus 3. You will solve it and you will get 10 minus 87, that is minus 77. Yes, second term of the AP is minus 3 minus 1 by 2, 2 dash dash. In that part we have to find 11th term. So first term is minus 3 and common difference A2 minus A1. What is A2 beta here? Minus 1 by 2 and minus A1. A1 is minus 3. Now minus minus plus, it becomes minus 1 by 2 plus 3. You know how to solve this. So you will take the LCM, that is 2 minus 1 plus 6 is equal to 5 by 2. So here D is 5 by 2. Now A11 is A plus 10 D. So A is minus 3 and 10 D is 5 by 2. So you can cancel out, it become 5 into 5, then it is minus 3 plus 25, then answer is 22 beta. Now beta, question number 3 is, in the following AP, find the missing term in the boxes. Yes beta, in these questions some boxes are there. It means we have to find this missing value. So you will treat like that, this is A1 and missing value is A2 and this is A3. In second part, this is A1, this is A2, this is A3 and this is A4. Okay, but in this case A1 and A3 we have to find, and in that case first term is given, second and third is missing, and last term, or you can say fourth term, is given. So you have to find second and third term. Similarly in these two parts. Now solution is, yes beta, the question is 2 missing term and then 26. This is first term A1, this is A2, which one we have to find, and this is A3. So what is the value of A3 is 26. I told you beta, A3 how you can write? A plus 2D. It means A plus 2D की value क्या है beta? 26. So A you know 2 plus 2D is equal to 26. So from this you will find the value of D, that is 2D is equal to 26, and 2 you will take to right hand side, it become minus, then it is 24. Now you will find the value of D, it is 24 by 2, that is 12. So now you have D is 12 and A is 2, and now you have to find second term because this box is on second term. So second term is A2 and formula for A2 is A plus D. Now put the value of A, that is 2, and D you have found, that is 12, and answer is 14 beta. Now in second part, first term is missing and third term is missing. So here A2 is given, A2 is 13 and last term is 1, 2, 3 and 4. It means this is A4. A4 is 3 beta. So A2 you will write A plus D, that is 13, and here A4 is A plus 3D is equal to 3. So from this equation and this equation we have two variables A and D, and we will find with the help of these two equations these two values. So how to find these values beta? This is elimination method which you will study in third chapter beta, but simple I told you कि you will write both the equations. First equation is A plus D is equal to 13 and A plus 3D, that is second equation, it is equal to 3. So in this case first term is same as it is, so you will change the sign of second equation because it is first equation and it is second equation. So you will change the sign. This is plus, it become minus, this is plus, it become minus, and this is also minus. So plus minus cancel out, plus minus minus, and 3 minus 1 2d, but larger number is negative, so you will take negative sign. And here plus minus minus, 13 minus 3, that is 10. Now here you will find the value of d. It is 10 by minus 2, that is minus 5. Now put the value of d in any equation, either first equation or in second equation. So here the value d is put in equation 1. तो a plus d, d की वैल्यू क्या है बेटा, -5, that is 13. तो you will find from there a is 13 plus 5, that is 18. Now you have the value of a as well as the value of d. Now you have to find the first term, that is a, answer is 18. Now you want to find third term. The formula for third term is a3 is a plus 2d. So a is 18 and d is -5. Now put the values and you will get 8 beta. Yes beta. Third part is 5 and 2 missing terms are there, second and third, and last, or you can say fourth term is 9, 1 by 2. So first term is 5 and last term a4 is 9 into 1 by 2, that is 19 by 2. So you will put the value of a4, it is a plus 3d, that is 19 by 2, and from there you will find the value of d. Put the value first a, then you will get the value of d is 3 by 2. Now a2 is, what is the value of a2? First term plus you will add the d. So first term is 5 and you will add 3 by 2, that is the value of d. So 5 plus 3 by 2, take the LCM and you will get 13 by 2. And next term how to you will find? You will add d in this term, yani a2 term. So a3 you will get. a3 is equal to a plus 2d. In this way you also can find. So a3 is 5 into 2 into 3 by 2. So 2 से 2 cancel beta. This is 5 plus 3, that is 8. Fourth part is similar. First term is given and last term, that is sixth term is given. You have to find second, third, fourth and fifth. So first term is -4. a6 is 6. Put the values of a6. a plus 5d is equal to 6. Put the value of a and you will get the value of d, that is 2. Now if first term is -4, you will add 2, then second term is -2. -2 में 2 ऐड करोगे बेटा नेक्स्ट टर्म के लिए, it become 0. In this way also you can find. And 0 में फिर 2 ऐड करोगे, that is 2. In this way you also can find. And similarly 2 में फिर 2 ऐड करोगे, that is 4 बेटा. In this way you can solve this question. Now last part is, first term is missing, second term is given, and last term, or you can say sixth term. Okay, so this is like as the second part beta. So a2 is 38, a2 can be written a plus d is equal to 38, and a6 is -22, so a6 can be written a plus 5d is equal to -22. Similarly, with the help of elimination method, we will solve the value of a and d. So first you will write both the equation and you will change the sign of second equation. So you will see first term cancel out and the value of d, here you will get -4d is equal to 60 and d is equal to -15 beta. Now you will put the value of d in first equation or in second equation. So here we have put the value of d in first equation, that is a plus d is equal to 38. So put the values and you will get a, that is 53. So first term is 53 and -15, तो इट इज 38. 38 में फिर -15 ऐड करेंगे तो यू विल गेट 23. 23 में फिर आप ऐड करोगे -15, देन यू विल गेट 8 and after that you will get -7, or with the help of this formula and this formula also you can find the value.